Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening or creating a plan view oriented to true north. This is essential because the Rotate True North command only affects views set to true north. Once done, make project base point and survey point visible so you can reference existing coordinates. Make a duplicate of the site plan to preserve originals. Now you're ready to modify true north rather than project north. This ensures the building geometry and schedule stay consistent while changing geographic orientation. Now actually rotate true north. Go to Manage Right Arrow Position, Right Arrow Rotate True North. You will be prompted to pick a base point. Choose the project base point or a known survey point so coordinates remain predictable. Drag to set the new orientation or type the exact angle if you have survey data. Once applied, check the rotation by measuring a known line or reading the project base point angle. Make sure linked models remain aligned by coordinating linked model rotations if required. Finish by switching between True North and Project North views to confirm the change did what you expected. Project North view will remain unchanged. If you have linked models, update or relink them so their orientation matches, otherwise they will appear rotated. If something looks off, use Rotate True North again or restore the duplicate view you made earlier. That's your quick rollback. Troubleshooting tip. If coordinates shift unexpectedly, verify you rotated about the correct project base point and repeat the command with the exact survey angle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.